Every day's a busy day for Curious George. He keeps busy counting, sorting, and measuring. You don't have to use just a ruler to measure stuff. You can use almost anything. Even a yellow hat. How many hats tall is George? For more
Nature
Curious
Cat.
games like this, check out pbskids.org. Stay tuned for more fun with your favorite PBS Kids friends. Next.